Rally, Albany.
Can't be more than 1 or 2 last
like an unknown stranger, praying for a home by time with no regrets. My destination time, well and aching, waiting patiently for the sun to set. And when it's done,
Beautiful out here. Since my previous clip, the crowd has grown significantly. They had a couple guys talk a little bit, mostly like bumper sticker phrases and a couple little anecdotes they gave, but not too bad so far. They really don't have the major speakers, didn't really show up yet. Live music hasn't shown up yet, but we're here. A little drizzly, not too bad. Oh, and here's an added bonus, a little bit of drama to entertain you. Got a drunk guy sitting down on the ground there. We don't know if he's going to be a problem. We hope not. It's a lot easier to just ignore people like that than to have to deal with them. So we hope he's not going to be a problem. You know, I don't want to have to hem a dude up, but, you know, we'll see. Stay tuned. Second Minute Rally, Albany. Thanks for watching.